Hello, this is Stefano with Stefano Espresso Care. Rancilio as now, I guess February 2025, is starting to sell the shower screen with an additional countersunk screw. That's the way they are now received from Rancilio. However, the screw is shorter, 2 millimeters shorter compared to the bolt head one or the Allen head one. And if your group head is slightly worn at the beginning of the threading area, and the diffuser, of course, and the jet breaker are in place as they should, the short screw will not reach and grab. So keep in mind that we offer countersunk screw longer, 2 millimeter, or you should use the original bolt head, Allen head one, which is 2 millimeter longer. Thank you for watching.